Good morning, 4th graders. Well, for me, it's 7:49 at night, but when you see this, it will be morning. So first off, let me say happy last day of break. I hope that you have fun today. We've got a lot of fun planned. There will be that special secret event from Mr. Franklin, where we are singing happy birthday to him, as well as singing some Christmas carols. And then, of course, we end our day with watching the Polar Express. Yes, you do have a substitute today. I am gone because my son is still not feeling good. I wish I could be here and see you the last day for break, but it is what it is. So a couple items to go through with you today. One is this. I have right here, this is a present. This is for Yambo. Yambo, so I will explain why I have it. I just wanted everyone to be aware why Yambo is getting a present and nobody else. To be fair, Yambo, last week I believe it was, gave some presents not only to me, but also to my two sons. When my oldest son, Alex, saw the gift, he wanted to give Yambo a gift. So this is technically not a gift from me. This is a gift from my sons. So please do not get upset and think that I am favoring someone. I am not. This is just because my son got a gift from Yambo, so my son wanted to return the favor. So I just wanted to make that clear. Yambo, it's on my desk. You grab it, and then the only thing I would ask is you just take it home and open it at home, please. A couple other items to go through. Today you will be presenting with Mr. Lauer and Mrs. Mouse. So during the Polar Express, and Mrs. Van Hall and Mrs. Hunter are aware, people will be going in and out. You will see this. This is the order to go and present, and Lyric and Hal would go first, then Mortaz and Liam. I will tape this. I have printed it out. It will be taped on the back board. We will be in Mrs. Hunt's room watching the movie, but Lyric and Hal, all you have to remember is you go first. And then when you are done, you can go look at the sheet to see who's next. So you would tell Mortaz and Liam to go to the library. And then Mortaz and Liam would tell Ahmed and Alexa, and so on. We'll just work our way down that line. If your partner's not here, unfortunately, you're going to have to present by yourself. So please make sure, after you watch this, that you share your Google Sheet you are presenting with Mr. Lauer. Then he will be able to put it up on the smartboard, and then you can do your presentation. If you need a minute in the library to just talk to each other about what you're going to do, maybe do that on your way there. So you can just help remind each other what you're going to say. That is all for morning meeting. So once you are done with this video, again, please share your Google Sheet that you are using in today's presentation with Mr. Lauer. It is Louie, it would be Lauer, L-A-U-E-R-L, at fargoschools.org. The last thing I want to say to you is have a good break.